Hello, Mr. Sofian. This is John, and this is our company Shanghai Target. This building is for our office, and we totally have three factory, and this factory is one of them for the machine production, and have other one is for the CNC center. We have a totally 30 CNC machine to make the parts, and have one is for the chocolate, popping boba, and other products. This is one for this factory is one of them to make the gummy and the marshmallow and the biscuit. This totally have 4 workshop. The first workshop is for the parts, motor, and other parts for the storage workshop. And this one is for the electric and the laser cutter and the sheeting. Let me show you. This is our cooker tank. The workshop, because now is Friday and Friday is weekend. This is electric box, laser cutter, electric box. This room inside is all depositing machine for the gummy. This is ready packing, waiting for the shipping. The depositing line for the gummy. Depositing line. Every customer will, every order will have one number, so we'll have the seller and the after sale service and engineer to follow together. Gummy candy machine 600, and sugar coating, oil coating, skype system, cooker, $300 gummy candy. This one is our handmade marshmallow. Is too French to make the handmade marshmallow, or like a marshmallow lollipop. The design cooker, holding tank, mixing tank, and a holding tank. This one is a aeration unit and a chiller. After aerating the color, we'll aerating the air will do the color flavor mixing, and the mixing in the pipe, then go to depositing. This is a microfilm cooker for hard candy. Toffee cooker. Gummy candy 9. Popping boba for the milk tin. Popping boba for the milk tin is 500 kg. Gummy candy 9. Design cooker. Popping boba. Testing today. All our machine before shipping will testing by our factory self. After 100% is working success, then sell to the engineer, sell to the customer, shipping to the customer. This popping boba. the oil sugar coating drum together. This is a extruder machine. Extruder for the tree candy, bubble gum, tree gum. And this one is our marshmallow machine line. The beat and the extruder hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Extruder, cooker, and let me show you the drying system. This is a laboratory machine for the testing the recipe and other things. The ready packing for the shipping. The drying tray for the gummy marshmallow. Cooker, the storage cooker. We all of the candy, chocolate, bacon, biscuit, cookies, all of them we can make. This workshop is for the biscuit and cookies, and have the marshmallow drying in the workshop. I will show you. The drying conveyor for the marshmallow, so it will be full automatic drying. No need too many manual. Marshmallow will go through by this conveyor to drying maybe 4 or 6 hours. The gas oven for the biscuit, down mixer, depositing. Jam filling cookie, 3-color cookie, the cupcake cooling. Today we have a testing the cupcake machine. The final products for the cupcake. Taste is very good. And the oven, the soft hard biscuit, laminator, sheeting conveyor. Also, this is all factory. And the other one is a city side, so need 10 minutes. If you want to see the chocolate and other chocolate popping boba and tree gum machine, I will go to the or other factory and take video for you.